lovely fans, you don kilometer. This man don kilometer. Na to enter market na e come remain. And once you enter market, e don finish. Nothing go cure am again. This yo people dey say na Twitter money dey fine. People say e just want me dey talk about am. Wetin dey do yo e pass wetin una dey talk. This man is out of track. This man is out of control. Even his own family cannot control him. Yo spiritual problem na dey worry am. This man have a strong spiritual problem. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yo don't go fall into the trap of a daughter wey they call Daniela. Daniela don't send message go give your papa. Say if your papa won't kolo, he won't kolo me too so. Make him know people wey go take risks. You see him mama, she know they use her mother to play. After God, na her mother. They know they say they choose person mama over God. If not, her own story for be after her mother before God. But she's a Christian. So she will say after God, na mama. That is how precious May Edochie is to her. Daniela say, yo, stay off my mother. Because this one, na go scatter everywhere. You see that juju you where you put for us, all of them will become restless if you try what you talk again. Una see this frustrated man. Wole one use and take buy trouble. Buy problem put for your life. Come they blame people say, now they give him problem. This man is not talking about May Edochie. Before, he did drag May Edochie. May Edochie did not allow me to rest. May Edochie is dragging me here, dragging me there. May Edochie that we all know, she know they talk about you. She know they look what you they do. Anything concerning you, it not concern me, Edochie. Yo way define the attention of May Edochie, or should I say, truly, according to Daniela, say, na kilometers. Yo, this period, na no saying they drag Peter Obi. He can go tell Peter Obi, say, who Peter Obi help. So a lot of people now, they tell you say, who you help, apart from women. Now you come, they tell they say, the May Edochie who na the praise, who na they call queen, who na they say she's successful, she's this. Who help May Edochie? Because say men no they talk. Now he put May Edochie for where May Edochie day today. Now he give May Edochie that fame. Now he give May Edochie the financial, everything you can think of. He say even where May Edochie did, you say even waiting May Edochie be today at present. He say nah. He say because he just won't respect his children, especially the daughter Daniela. That's why he don't want to come out to tell the world. That's why I don't want the world to know what is really going on behind closed door. Yeah. Oga yo say na stand May Edochie. He said during the time when May Edochie come out, when they talk say business, everything go down. You say who help her financially. Na stand. Go carry money. Give May Edochie. He say no come no say May Edochie want divorce him. He say because the man no they talk. He say May Edochie collected money from him to start business. Then after May Edochie don't collect money, May Edochie can send a letter of divorce. He say May Edochie make him to. He say if May anything where May Edochie be today, he say now they give him a connection. He say May Edochie will say I wanted to be in this place. So he say go call. Go call. They say my wife is coming. Say May Edochie will go. He said, is it the endorsement? He said no big pastor they do endorsement for people. Now he make it rest. He look and say, okay, make his wife take over. You see, do you know how many people will be saying, now they call them, say, me they give me Edochie endorsement, me they sign for me Edochie. Say, now he make me Edochie. Without him, me Edochie is nobody. He said, if he wants to bring me Edochie down, he said, no, take on 1 minute. He said, just a phone call. He said, me Edochie go enter us again. He said, but he's not going to do that because of his children, especially Daniela. Say just leave him because a man no dey talk. Say has been trying to tell the world that me Edochie is nobody without him. He said till tomorrow, there are certain places where me Edochie won't go. Me Edochie go call her. Go say, you please help me. I'm going so place. Say go call, they say, my wife is coming. Say because of her, they go open door for me Edochie. Then later, people come outside, they say, oh, me Edochie is a hard-working woman. He said the hard-working was done by him. Hey, my people. You said everything I they do. Everything. His children's school fees. He said go reach. He said go reach water where they drink for the house. He said now they pay up. He said when he called himself Odogu, he said Miri Jofo. Ezedike Arusu one of intelligence. He said he's not joking. He said he's a man. He said just that me Edochie is an ungrateful woman. He said me Edochie is supposed to be worship her today for social media. He said she go come social media to do as if she's a queen. But to make one thing touch her now, she don't carry phone, they call and say, oh yeah, Edochie, help me. What will I do? Help me to call this person. You say he's always there in the life of me Edochie. He said that is what they don't know. He said now they back up everything that me Edochie is to. They say now he said foundation where they open. He said now me Edochie open foundation now. Me Edochie can't claim out to herself. He said not talk. Odogu men, they don't argue with women. They don't fight with women with properties. You go and build fresh one. Leave that one for them. He said if you won't drive me Edochie come for a jama shot today, he said no take 5 minutes. My lovely fans, should I continue? If you see what this man talk, hey, if you see what you take the brag, lies just to build his ego. Now waiting you they talk for me Edochie body o. Now waiting they talk. Now person come carry come go tell the me Edochie say, your ex-husband don't kolo. Don't carry your matter come outside again. You don't carry your matter come outside again. Now your matter, now it they do politics now. Say if he can build you, if he can stand for you, and he's still building you, that means he's a good man. He has done a lot. They say you tell they say, for a man and a woman to be in the situation where you are me Edochie dey, and still that man is still helping the woman. They suppose respect her. When he talks saying they help people, in they raise people up, he's not joking. He say if not be him, me Edochie for the ground. So respect should be given to him. My people, now they carry the Congo tell. Now people carry the Congo tell me Edochie. Say you just. They say you don't come out again, no. This man don't start. You know, say you not get anything to lose. You not get one brand we stand for. Tinubu will face Nigeria. Now you see the shouting so many years. They never give an office. This man is still shouting Tinubu will face Nigeria. Now, he not get you not get any brand where they represent. Apart from Jujueko Isukbekus. Your only brand is Jujueko Isukbekus and the battalion so he born when he born for his house. That man have nothing to lose. But you, May Edochie, you have a lot. You build a lot. This man has come back again for you. Because people mock and say, wetin him do? The way they say, Peter Obi no help person. Wetin him do? Who he help? They say, now you what they finish your matter. See wetin you gonna use the math. Take the talk. They can't tell me Edochie, say, me Edochie, your ex-husband, you need to put him to where he belong. Because that man don't get anything to lose. You are the one that have a lot to lose. For all these years, you build your brand. Now when you don't stand Gedeba, why a ability man want to come from nowhere? Use lies to destroy you. That me Edochie say no understand what did they happen. And they call explain, give me Edochie. All the lies, so you they lie they go. Say now I build you, now I stand for you, now they give you connection. Even up till today, now they call people say, oh, give my wife this brand. Hey, they say now me Edochie say asao. Now they tell me Edochie say take action. No, this man is not telling one person, telling two people. If they talk and they go, and the way they talking like person where they colo. I did everything I did for my wife. My wife is ungrateful, very ungrateful woman. He said they spoil your name, they go. Remember, name with the spoil. To repair her is very hard. Name where they don't condemn. To repair the name, they very hard. And they call tell me Edochie. As they tell me Edochie, Daniela did it. Now Daniela have charged, now I provoke. See for what? This is Papa owned all the too much. What is wrong with this old man? What is the color of this old man problem? Now Daniela provoke, go carry food. Now he holla you. Tell you say, wetin be this way they talk they go. Give your papa thorough warning. Say the lies where you lie they go on social media. Put an end to it. Put an end to it. Stay far from it. Hey, one dash shall never end. Daniela say if your papa hear people they talk of him, mama. May you close him out. I know the lies you're lying. If another person come tell them, they hear am 2 times. Your papa go find you. Your papa go find you. One dash shall never end. Not be smart on my people. I know if you talk the kind insult with Daniela insult you. You not get respect for your children and again. No. If you see as Daniela insult you. You see that word you not talking again. He insult and go reach the universal thunder when he born. Daniela insulted you warned him seriously. Say a mother after God now mother. If you ever and ever in your life talk about a mother again, you will not like the story. You're gonna regret it and really hard. You see the mother May Edochie. Even if you dey where people they talk about her, clean your mouth waka comot. Talk less or say you coming out to lie. How did you made the mother? I bet the mother and I made you. How can you make somebody that is better than you, that is more successful and is progressing more than you? You will do church, they not pay you offering. You recall yourself. Become agent will not say us. Hey, my people not be smarting. Not be smarting. Daniela finish you. Say if you hear pain about the mother again. If you hear pain, if you don't dey kolo, your brain don't dey touch. Buy ticket, go your papa house. Go kolo for there. Go and sit down your father house, me you dey kolo. So they say Daniela don't give you thorough warning. You coming out to say now you upgrade me Edochie. Now you uplift me Edochie. If not be me Edochie for not the way I did. When I see this hungry man, he won't tell people say he help people. He dey call me Edochie. Now you help me Edochie, I've been a me Edochie help you. Is it you that help me Edochie or is me Edochie that help you? Hungry man. when you know fully well, you say Aja mansion, I ain't just leave am. If you won't collect am today, go collect. You go and collect it, let's see. Now the lie wey you the lie for me Edochie head be this. Now wetin you dey tell people as I dey talk to now. And you know how some men are desperately to listen the downfall of a woman. Because some men, not all, I will tell you that 80% of men I don't open. They don't support me Edochie. You see the remaining 20, this word where you, this lie where you lie, so some of them will stand by it. So Daniela don't give your papa thorough warning. Anything way they do you, let them go do you for your papas. Never call him mama name again. Oh, rishi, my people. Wonder shall never end. Not be small, rishi day yo. Not be small one. Thorough warning, proper warning, serious warning. Me Edochie never even talk. Now a daughter, now they give a thorough warning. See me that thing not repeat itself. Desperate spiritual ex-husband. When no see I take face isuru masi mami water. No one let me Edochie rest. Why you know they talk about Juju Ekwensu when you uplift? Why is you're not talking about Juju Ekwensu? I be not being uplifter. Why is he not talking about Lizzie Good? The other upcoming artists then, when he uplift them, why is he not talking about them? Why is it me Edochie? When this woman deal with you, did she have this kind of success when he gets? You were connecting her when she was with you. You are even still connecting her till today, and yet you cannot connect yourself. Some people go still believe this your story. Some people, some mumu men like her, they will still believe your story. They will say, oh, yo is right. Now they help the woman. Percy, yo get the connection with me Edochie get. We for not hear what for social media. If brand sign yo, the way that they sign me Edochie, hey, this social media for 2 words. Wonder they say shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.